2023 Jeep Compass. With less than 8,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It includes ample space for all passengers and comes with the following: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.